Ready to transform your home theater? LG just dropped the 2025 G4 OLED Evo TV this morning, a 55-inch masterpiece with a brighter micro-lens array panel and AI-powered picture optimization for $2,599. It's trending huge with home theater fans on X. Stick around to see why this TV's a total game-changer. Hey tech fam, welcome back to GadInsider. LG is rewriting the TV rulebook with the G4 OLED Evo unveiled today. At $2,599 for the 55-inch, it's packing a second-gen micro-lens array, the Alpha 11 AI processor, and a 5-year warranty. X is buzzing with cinephiles, hyping its stunning visuals, and Arting's calling it one of the best OLEDs ever. Let's break it down why the G4 is a must for movie buffs and gamers. What's the LG G4 OLED Evo bringing? It's LG's flagship 4K TV for 2024, now brighter with second-gen micro-lens array, hitting 1500 nits peak brightness, 150% brighter than the B4 series. The Alpha 11 AI processor powers AI Picture Pro and super upscaling, enhancing contrast and sharpening blurry streams for jaw-dropping HDR. The 55-inch 4K OLED rocks a 144Hz refresh rate and 0.1 ms response time, ideal for PS5 or PC gaming, with NVIDIA G-Sync, AMD FreeSync Premium, and VRR across 4 HDMI 2.1 ports. Dolby Vision and Filmmaker Mode delivers cinematic accuracy, while AI Sound Pro virtualizes 11.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos. Running WebOS 24 with 4 years of updates, plus a 5-year panel warranty for burn-in protection, this TV's built to last. Why is this blowing up? X users are already obsessed with the G4's MLA brightness, calling it a daylight OLED champ. Sources say it outshines the 2023 G3 and matches the Panasonic Z9 at 5A, though the 97-inch skips MLA for cost. At $2,599 for 55 inches, it's neck and neck with the Samsung S95D, but brings Dolby Vision, a big win for Netflix and Blu-ray fans. The Alpha 11 chip nails color accuracy with a Delta E of 1.4 in Filmmaker mode, and AI upscaling makes old DVDs pop. Gamers dig the 144Hz boost, although sources note minor HDMI 2 port glitches. With a 5-year warranty and LG's 11-year OLED dominance, this TV is a premium steal. Alright, let's get you in on the action. Picture the G4 OLED Evo in your living room. What's your vibe? Binging Stranger Things in Dolby Vision with perfect blacks, crushing Call of Duty at 144Hz, or upscaling your classic movie collection with AI? Drop your dream G4 moment in the comments.